Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's rock.
Stick a bunny in me pocket. I'll fetch the suitcase from the van. Cause if you are the best uns but you don't ask questions, then brother, I'm your man. Cause where it all comes from is a mystery. It's like the changing of the seasons and the tides of the sea. But here's the one what's driving me berserk. Why do only fools and horses work? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la la.
How's it going, guys? Mark Sony here, just taking apart this last remaining of the PC tower. If you don't know, if you haven't watched the whole bit, go to my playlist. I'll put that in the description below for you to watch all on it from the beginning. So yeah, let's crack on with the first board. Yeah, this is a fan, the alley, copper, you got the alley bits, and the gold fingers. So I'll start with, just take the cable off. Yeah. I'll put the small bits of cable. You see these that I've got. Need a small screwdriver. The screwdriver to take the fan off. If it won't come off. Yeah, it is. Yeah. I'm going to get some stuff sorted out. Try and get rid of stuff now. But every time I get the chance to do it, it don't happen. Let's really the fan off. Oops. Good. Let's see, fan. That. It's just two springs, one there, one there. Let's get the magnet. If it will come off. That'll be that might be stainless there. So take these other bits off. So I take the some of you ways people that take stuff apart. I forgot what they actually call now. Apparently they're worth money or something. It's scrap. Copper wire. Let me just get I've got my little silver wire. Do you know what it's got? Copper wire. Bit more copper wire. And then now we've got these running bars, as I call them. Just fit that bit of plastic off, and I can get that holding. There it is. Gold recovery. Yep, got the fingers, and that's it from that. This free board. Scrap. Get on with the net board. So the small ones, get the small ones out of the way. Take this cable off. Yeah. Just get it. Just make this bit. Is that steel or is that stainless? Put nothing on it again. So that's a bit alley. Is it? Well, I took a bit in alley. Not with stainless again. A little bit of, see this bit comes off. And then some bit of gold fingers there. And a bit more there. That's if anybody wants it. We've got just bits of it. So I'm just going to move it. So put that in another tub. We'll put that there. Look. So that's done with that. Fold. So next thing. cable off. And more golden pins, so take that. Fingers. Then I've got the aluminium bits, so I'll take them off for now. I'm making more loose and I can tip it straight in. Don't miss. And this should have what's that? Some copper wire and some alloy in it. And then let's see. And another one I have, but bigger. So I should have done is this I should have put this tub on scale to see what got it added in, and then see what it weighs in. This cutting out all the copper wire out. So that more bits. Sometimes it could be a pain in the arse, but not all of it comes out as I want it to. Sometimes I could just pinch it a little, pull it out, and then I can easily cut it. But some I might leave in and then I won't bother taking it all out. And then this. Get pliers. Yeah, there's no one. So I can just go and scrap. It's no good for me. Another one. Just got off. So smaller. So just cut it off. See this. If it's any good, just get a knife on it. This way. And you see there's a bit of gold plating on. Sometimes I've seen it where someone had a knife on it and it come out, but yeah. There's that small board. But then now, put that right there. Onto the big one. Finally, we've got some more others. Cable, bit copper. I just got the cable off. Sorry that you can't see it, guys, but since you see me doing it, there. aluminium. Put that in the pot. Then I just rip all these aluminium bits off, and then I get to that in a minute. And I'll be shortly, guys, when I just got it all shipped apart. So I got all it off, just took the battery out, more copper come out, 2 more of these come off. Yeah. So I just want to I still got some more of these if anybody's interested. Yeah, to see if there's anybody interested in these. Yeah. Just a bit more aluminium, let's take that. And yeah. So there's this square bit here. It's this little thing just come out. Look at that. Just, yeah, it's just a push down, push out of it. Just like that. Then it's that. Then I see it's that magnetic. Yeah. There it's on there, and that's it. Oh, nearly. Because there's another. Just a cut. And that's it, really. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah. I'll put the tools away. Everything in there. Take the battery out. Yeah. That's our tools. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.